My dear friends, marriage existed long before the state or the church. It is the foundation of the family and society. The testimony of history and the judgment of our own natural reason point to one simple conclusion: marriage was given to us from the beginning by God with a particular structure and for specific purposes. It is the exclusive union of one man and one woman joined in an intimate community of love and life. In and through this special community, a man and a woman pledge themselves to each other for a lifetime and accept the responsibility of bringing children into the world and caring for them. For many centuries, these truths about marriage were accepted without question and perhaps even taken for granted. Sadly, this is no longer the case. I am Archbishop Joseph Kurtz, the Archbishop of Louisville, and I chair the effort of the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops to defend marriage as only the union of a man and a woman. Marriage is not something we invent or change to suit our own purposes. It is a gift given to us, a blessing that originates in God. Therefore, we are not free to change it. Although civil and church laws can regulate the practice of marriage, neither church nor state can alter the basic meaning and structure of marriage. Marriage is in many ways the first law of our existence. It is rooted in our human nature because it is given to us in creation itself. To claim that society has the right to redefine marriage is contrary to human nature and history. Yet that is exactly what is happening today. Certain groups and individuals are trying to make same-sex unions the equivalent of marriage. This is a false idea being proposed and in some cases imposed by a minority. This is nothing less than the radical redefinition of marriage, denying the truth that it is exclusively the union of a man and a woman. If successful, this effort of redefining marriage to include same-sex unions will bring confusion to what marriage actually means. This confusion could spread and have enormous legal consequences for the rearing of children, public education, employment, and religious freedom. Children would be forced to learn that marriage is merely one kind of loving relationship among many. Churches would be prevented from witnessing to and teaching about the necessary and singular role of love between a man and a woman. The union of a man and a woman in marriage is utterly unique. It is built on the fact of sexual difference, which makes possible a complementarity between two persons, male and female, at every level of their being. In this unique marital union, a man and a woman, a husband and wife, make a total gift of themselves to each other in ways that persons of the same sex simply cannot. Same-sex unions and marriage are completely different realities. Reaffirming the traditional understanding of marriage is neither discrimination nor the denial of rights. Like all people, homosexual persons have the right to be treated with respect and to live in peace with the support of their loved ones. But it is to the benefit of all members of society that the institution of marriage be preserved as the relationship of a man and a woman that serves the common good in a distinct way. Society needs marriage in order to establish and sustain that basic unit of society in which men and women love each other and transmit life to their children, who are the fruit of that love. For this reason, we seek to promote and protect marriage for the gift that it is, and for the blessings that only it can bring to the world. For this reason, we come forward in defense of marriage. I invite you to pray with me for the success of this important effort.